my gosh. Ay. Oh.
I'm on the road to riches driving by ya. Why these niggas want pop my tires? Blue wings got fire. My name on flyers. And when the times got dire, I played the corner with the sellers and the buyers to make sure that you, ayy, and that my family is straight. I put that food up on your plate.
What's going on YouTube, guys? You know what it is. It's your boy Calvin's back again once with another vlog video. Now guys, I was very much impressed by the kind of messages I was getting from you guys in the Instagram and from the commenting section. I was just like, I think I should be doing another biggest vlog then, because I feel like you guys really like the vlogs that I'm really doing. So I thought it wise that I should be doing showing you the worst places to be in Nairobi. I'm not trying to expose the bad places in Nairobi though. I think it's just so much informative to let you know guys what kind of videos you should be watching and seeing the first places, especially during this rainy season. You guys know that it is raining in Nairobi, and like most of the places we have just approached December, maybe the 1st of December, and this month is gonna be full of like rains every now. It's gonna be rains all through, so I'm just going to take you to the very worst places that you can be able to be during these rainy seasons. And you guys, if you're new to this channel, join our family because we're dropping bangers back to back for the rest of 2019. Also guys, we're doing post notification button shout out at the end of every single vlog. So if you want to get a shout out, just turn on your post notifications, and once you do that, comment down below. I think Kenya has always made it like in most of the places. Now really Kenya to this time, the government is trying its best to like build houses, affordable houses for people who cannot be able to afford those, you know, those luxury houses. So I think the government of Kenya is just trying its best to make us we Kenyans just be like have a good life. So for that reason, guys, I'm not going to hesitate to salute the government of Kenya by giving you guys or standing by with me for the next 2 minutes to have salute to our nation. So let's go.
Kenya tunayoipenda, tuwe tayari kuilinda na tujenge taifa letu. Ndio wajibu wetu, Kenya istahili heshima, tuungane mikono pamoja kazini, kila siku tuwe na shukrani.
Now you guys know that I'm always fond of like working out of this way every single vlog that I make, especially when I'm getting out of the state. So Kairi, we got Kairi upstairs, so she's also vlogging out there. So I'm gonna join her in a few and see how this vlog takes place, because you know guys, we should be making this be perfect. We are making it just things to be like real. We don't want to like give things judgment without seeing the natural scenes, so we just want to make it real. Otherwise, let's go. Now look at these guys. These are fields that we use to play football, and really coming to it today, I was very much surprised because a football pitch today is a pool where fish is being swamped and any other stuff like that. So I really don't think whether it's really the government should do something, guys, because it's not that much interesting. Look at the goalpost. That's the goalpost, and all of this. I'm literally uh, just right in the field. So the place where I am right now is grassy, but then the inside part of it is floody, man. Look at that goalpost there. So the government should literally do for us something, because we should be getting entertained. Like being on a Sunday like this should be like playing football in the day. So this field should be renovated, but it is in the Starai constituency, I think, basically in Gara. So if the leader in charge of that could be getting this information, I think it could be better when he do something. So basically, this is Ngara, where most of the students used to stay, campus students, though especially those studying at Ghana International University, those studying at the technical universities. Most of them used to be in this place. So this place is not that much well housed, especially when the kind of housing they should be like renovated so that they just have good housing. Oh my gosh! Ay. Oh. Ay. Ooh. Ay. Madari. So this is a slum that most of the people used to stay, especially those who are like low class economy. They used to stay in this place because of the affordable housing for them. And when it rains, it always floody, and people are experiencing a lot of troubles when during their walkings and during their daily activities. So it just a thing and go to stay on during the rainy seasons. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please don't hesitate to give a thumbs up and comment and subscribe and share this video, so that we can be like growing much further as a family. So guys, if you want to join our family, because we're dropping bangers back-to-back reactions in this 2019 single vlog. Also guys, also we are posting out our notifications after every single vlog. So if you want to join our family, join in. Once you do that, comment down below. Otherwise guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.